Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering the latest market moves across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Monday, February 9th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were mostly up. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,963.17, up 30.86 points. The Dow 30 index rose by 20.18 points to 50,135.86, reaching a new all-time closing high for the second consecutive day. Lastly, the Nasdaq Composite Index rose 207.45 points to 23,238.67. In terms of market breadth, the S&P 500 index saw more advances than declines for the day, with 252 advances. Elsewhere, the Russell 2000 index showed a weaker breadth as it registered 823 advances against 1,004 declines, despite its rise in price. The Dow 30 index led in returns with a month-to-date total return of 2.543%, showcasing strong upward momentum. All key indexes ended the day positively, but the Nasdaq Composite Index displayed a mixed trend with marginal year-to-date returns, slightly negative at minus 0.014%. Real estate in some areas of technology and communication services showed promising growth, with basic materials in particular reaching a new all-time closing high. The energy and real estate sectors closed positively for 2 consecutive days, highlighting overall strong positive trends within these sectors. The healthcare sector led in declines, dropping by 0.86%. Consumer defensive also saw a decrease of 0.85%, experiencing some volatility recently. Conversely, the utilities sector managed to rise, following a 3-day upward trend amidst overall mixed sectoral performance. Today's global market saw significant gains. Thailand iShares ETF led with an increase of 4.4%. Italy, Brazil, Austria, and Poland all reached new all-time higher closes, underlining broad international market strength with steady positive trends across these markets. Focusing on Thailand, the ETF registered a week-to-date return exceeding 4.41%, underscoring a very strong positive trend. Additionally, Brazil's ETF delivered substantial year-to-date returns over 20.93%, reflecting consistent upward movements mirroring the global market's robust rise. Today's technology sector saw mixed results. Apple closed at 274.62, down 3.50, showing a very strong positive trend despite flat movement for 3 days. Alphabet rose 1.30 to 324.40, while enduring strong downward volatility. Meta Platforms surged by 15.91, closing at 677.37 amid mixed positive trends. Nvidia advanced to 190.4 with a 4.63 increase, sustaining a very strong upward trend.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently priced at $70,089.97, dropping 189.36, and shows a very strong negative trend. Meanwhile, Ethereum is up 9.33, continuing its upward path for 4 days, despite a similar negative overall trend. BNB is at 635.95, down 3.76, experiencing a strong downward trend and flat for 3 days. Solana and Dogecoin are following a similar flat pattern, each decreasing slightly today. Now, let's dive into total and average daily returns. Bitcoin shows a monthly total return of minus 10.88% and a yearly total return of minus 19.9%. Ethereum has a monthly dip of 14.36% and an even steeper yearly decline of 29.29%. BNB is down 18.56% for the month. Solana and Dogecoin exhibit similar monthly trends, also reflecting substantial losses in their year-to-date performances.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently declining against major currencies. Against the euro, it's at 0.8392, down by 0.0062. Similarly, versus the British pound, it's at 0.7303, falling by 0.0047. Additionally, the dollar is losing ground to the Japanese yen, now at 155.9010, a drop of 0.8270. The dollar also weakens against the Swiss franc, reaching 0.7664, down by 0.0091, crossing a downward breakout after days of stability. Lastly, the dollar is valued at 1.4097 against the Australian dollar, down 0.0135, nearing an all-time low.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts, Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.